If you're tired of unwanted or annoying comments on your Facebook posts, you can hide them discreetly without the commenter ever knowing. To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Then, go to the post that contains the comment you want to hide. Now, tap and hold the comment you wish to hide. From the menu that appears, select Hide Comment. The comment will be hidden from public view, meaning others won't see it, but the person who posted it will still be able to see it as normal. You can hide multiple comments if needed, by repeating the same steps for each comment. Hiding comments helps you manage unwanted or inappropriate content on your posts, without alerting the commenter. If you want to unhide any comment, tap and hold the hidden comment again, and select Unhide Comment from the menu. So that's how you can hide specific comments on your Facebook posts.